Every gambling loss isn't measured in dollars. Some of the biggest losses never appear on a bank statement. They're measured in moments. Imagine a father leaving his daughter's birthday party because he believes he can win enough money to make the day even better. He tells himself he'll only be gone for a little while. Instead, he comes home with less money than he started with. He also missed the birthday cake. He missed the presents. He missed the family photos. Years later, he probably won't remember exactly how much money he lost that day. But he'll remember missing his daughter's birthday. That's the cost nobody calculates. When most people think about gambling, they think about money. How much they won, how much they lost, how much debt they have. Those losses matter. But gambling can quietly take something even more valuable. Your time. Time with the people who matter most. Time spent worrying instead of living. Time that can never be refunded. One of the encouraging things about recovery is that money can often be replaced. Debt can be paid off. Savings can grow again. But none of us can buy back yesterday. That's why recovery is about much more than financial recovery. It's about being present. It's about showing up for your family. It's about enjoying a meal without thinking about the next bet. It's about going to bed with peace instead of regret. If you're trying to quit gambling, don't measure your success only by the money you saved. Measure it by the moments you've regained. The family dinner you didn't miss. The conversation where you were fully present. The weekend you spent making memories instead of chasing losses. Those victories don't make headlines, but they're often the ones that matter most. Because in the end, the greatest thing gambling can steal isn't your money. It's pieces of your life that you never get back. If this message spoke to you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. It helps this video reach someone who may need to hear it today. And if you're committed to leaving gambling behind, subscribe. Stronger every day.